Dive deep into the captivating world of artificial intelligence with The AI Doc, or How I Became an Apocaloptimist, the groundbreaking documentary that premiered at Sundance. This essential film, arriving in theaters in 2025, masterfully confronts the extreme tension between AI's potential to transform humanity for the better and its terrifying capacity for existential threat. Directors Daniel Roher, an Academy Award winner, and Charlie Tyrell, an Oscar shortlist alum, craft a profoundly personal narrative through the unexpected lens of fatherhood, adding a tender layer to this immense topic. Prepare to have your perspective challenged as it features insights from tech giants like OpenAI CEO Sam Altman and key experts from the Center for AI Safety. The documentary doesn't shy away from dramatic real-world impacts, exposing instances of misidentified individuals by AI facial recognition and the crucial need for regulation that directly affects people's lives and stability. This is your primer to understanding the most pivotal technology of our time, designed to engage even those initially overwhelmed by AI's complexity. Discover why the AI Doc is being called a must-watch film for anyone seeking clarity on our future. Find links to watch the documentary and explore its powerful themes in the video description below.